Hello, my name is Jesus Reyes and this is my summary of the video. In this video, Miss Tiffany was given 5 recommendations to the students who have to deal with this listening. For example, the first step is find a video or podcast, something interested in. When we are listening an audio or we have to watch a video about a topic that we don't understand or we don't know or it's difficult for us, or we don't find interesting, obviously we won't pay attention because we are going to consider it's boring. So if in the other hand, if we watch a video or listen an audio about a topic that we know well, okay, we're going to consider that that video or that audio is interesting, and our brain will connect all the words that we know well. The second step is mark the timestamps. In that step, you don't have to take notes for all the words or expressions that you don't understand. You just have to jotting down the timestamps, the minutes. So because you are going to listen just the portions, and you are going to try to connect the portions, small portions, in the next step. For example, here, go to the timestamps, listen again, and guess. Yes, because when you listen a small portion and the other small portion, you are going to try to connect between the words, between the expressions. I know that it's a little difficult because I have the same problem, but it's a good, a useful step. So the next step is figure out the context. Well, here you have to try to guess what is the context. For example, if you have a word that is kind of familiar for you, you have to connect that context before and the context after for each timestamp. And it's a good recommendation because in this way you are going to try to recognize or realize about what's the topic. And step number 5, listen one more time. You have to listen all the reading, or sorry, all the listening. Here you have to practice. You have to. You are going to have the opportunity to try to connect all the small portions. Well, that's all. Thanks. We're going to watch again. Bye bye.